Noise or noise pollution is a major cause of hearing loss in humans. Other consequences of noise pollution are difficulty understanding speech, difficulty concentrating, errors in understanding, reduced work capacity, lack of confidence, depression and discrimination. Sleep disturbance. And noise polluting cause. Point 1. Noise from aircraft engine. 2. Sound from land transportation such as trains, motorized bicycles that have been modified, WOR bicycles. 3. Loud sounds from nature such as lightning or volcanic eruptions. 4. Buzzing sound from TOA or speakers that are not in good condition.